So of course I had to go to Mia and ask what her suggestions were. And I'm really excited to announce that we are going to have the first coilover kit they will be making for US model Fiat 500s. Today we are installing lowering springs and a front and rear sway bar on the Kia Stinger. It's going to drop at about 1 inch, but the performance benefit of that, lowering the center of gravity, it's going to help with the handling of the car.
And we're going to be installing the Yoshimura exhaust on the Ninja 500.
So this is a pipe that we're going to use to relocate the turbo to the other side of the engine. So with these old L-Series engines, they're not a cross-flow head like a lot of modern inline-six engines. So with the intake and exhaust manifold being on the same side, you can see that we get some fitment issues using a smaller turbo than I wanted to use. But with this relocation pipe made by Project ABR, we're going to be able to relocate the turbo to the opposite side of the engine.
I had to change my OEM side skirts because the NC1 and NC2 and 3 side skirts are slightly different, and these extensions had a massive gap on the NC1 side skirts. It's such a small change really, but they look so good and I'm obsessed.